Lab 400. In this lab, we will be using Oracle Analytics Cloud to do visualizations on top of the data we have in the Autonomous Data Warehouse. From the OCI homepage, click on the icon here, scroll down to Platform Services and select Analytics. Click on the Analytics instance and select the Analytics URL. This takes you to the Oracle Analytics Cloud homepage. To create visualizations on the data stored in ADW instance, we need to have a connection created first. Click on the Create button, select Connection. Oracle Analytics Cloud provides a host of connections to different data sources. Among them, choose the ADW connector. Here, enter all the required details like the admin credentials and upload the wallet file of the ADW instance. Once done, click on the Save button. Click on the Create button. Select Dataset option and select the ADW connection created earlier. Select Developer User from the list. Now, select the demo stores table to import it into OAC as a dataset and add all the columns and select Add option to the right. In the preparation wizard, change the type of column to attribute for all columns marked as ID. Then click Apply Script to finalize the changes. Do the same for the remaining tables shown. Click on Create, select Data Flow, and choose the regions dataset created earlier. Click on the plus button here and select Add Data. Now, select the stores dataset. Choose All Rows from Input To field. Join the two datasets on the region ID attribute of Input To. Next, add the sales history dataset to the data flow. Select all rows from Input To and choose ID1 and Store ID from Input 1 and Input 2 respectively. Add the items dataset. Select all rows from Input 1 and choose Prod ID from Input 1. Next, click on the plus button and choose Select Columns. Select the following columns and click on Remove Selected option to exclude these columns. Now, let us rename a few columns. Select Rename Columns option and rename these columns to their new names. Now, let us add a few calculated columns. Select Add Columns option. Here, add a sales column. Validate the calculation and click Apply. Click on the plus icon here and add a column named Discount with its calculation. Follow the same procedure to create a transactions column. Now, let us branch the data flow into two parts. Save the first as a dataset and the second as a database table in the ADW instance we created earlier. Click on the Save icon and save the data flow before running it.